Hello everyone, today we are going to see about the DT-based activity video.
Greenhouse is a real estate company that focuses on eco-friendly and affordable house. The company was successful in one city and planned to expand the three more cities. For expansion, the company required rupees 50 crores. The major challenges was deciding how much money should come equity, how much should come from debt. In the empathy stage, the company tried to understand the needs and concept of the shareholders' foundations wanted growth but did not want to lose ownership control, worried about high interest burden, expected good return and company ability, preferred low financial risk. Banks ready to give loans but expected a regular interest payment. Considered about company's repayment capacity. Employees wanted job security and long-term stability. By listening all stakeholders, the company understood that a wrong capital structure could create financial asset.
How might Green Nest House next designing a capital structure of supports explanation, minimize financial risk, maintaining control and ensure long term. The clear discussion helped the company forces of the real issue. In this stage, management team mentioned our version capital structure option 1 100% equity not interest budgeted, but discussion of ownership. Option 2 high debtor financing, tax benefits of interest, high financing risk. Option 3 balanced capital structure, mix and equity and debt, moderate risk and cost. Option 4 use retaining and not cost.
In the prototype stage, the company designed three different capital structure models so compare possible outcomes. Models consider of 70% equity, 30% debt focusing on layer financial risk but higher ownership. Models be followed an equality mix of 50% equity and 50% debt, aiming to balance risk and control. Models C including 40% equity and 60% debt but increased financial risk for each models. Detailed financial projections were prepared to evaluate the cost of capital, the level of risk involved, and the impact of ownership control before moving the financial decision.
To conclude, capital structure decisions should not be based only on numerical calculation, but apply the design thinking approach. Green Nest Homes was able to clearly understand stakeholder needs, explore multiple financial solutions, and finally choose a sustainable capital structure that support long-term growth. This case study shows the design thinking make final decision and more practice, human, certain and efficient for modern business. After testing all three models, Model B was selected as the most suitable option. The model provides a balanced level of risk and return, making it financially safe than higher debt option and more efficiency than high equity option. It helps in reducing the overall cost of capital while still allowing the company to enjoy tax benefits on debt. All the same time, the founder were able to retain sufficient control over the business and the company could manage cash flow in the stable manner. The decision followed by followed the traditional theory of capital structure, which state the which state an optional mix of debt and equity helps minimizes the cost of capital and maximize the value of the firm.
The design thinking framework has five stages. First stage is empathy. In empathy stage, we should find the problem on the issues of the common peoples. So there is a difference between sympathy and empathy. Sympathy means we feel sad for them, but empathy means we think on their shoes about the problems. And then in define stage, we should find the key insights that arises from the empathies. So define stage is the main point where the we could find what are all the problems arises during the problem, and then ideate. In ideate, we create new innovative solutions to solve our problems. In ideate stage only, we prepare new ideas to solve the problem. And then prototype. Prototype means building a working model to test if the product works or not before producing it to the market. And the final stage is test. In testing process, we test our product to common peoples. We should not test our products with our own employees. We should test our products with common peoples.